Fit like, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard. It's been off a course last week. It's been gusting up to 67 mile an hour gusts the last few days, coming from northwest. So we're in a good note in the boatie off a brug. So it's pretty sheltered at bottom. The wind's dropping a good bit anyway, but it's been pretty sheltered at bottom with the direction of the winds. So I thought today, get myself out of the house and do a spot of fishing. And as you can see, bottom lighthouse in the background. I'm fishing just at the south side of bottom lighthouse today. I've just seen a couple of rods with me. I've actually got 3 rods. But I cast at one rod and there's bites already, but it must be of a small fish because my bait's getting cleaned. Yeah, see if you can see there's bites on the rod here. I'll tuck in the line a bit. Even though I've got a gripper lead on, the line seems to be pulling in. A wee bit more tension on it. You can see the bites here. I just wonder if it's podleys or coley as everybody else calls them. We call them podleys here. I just wonder if it's that it's cleaning a bait, because I cast it out and within a few minutes there's bites. But the bait's coming in clean. It does look like fish bait, but then again it could be grindies running about the seabed with a bait. Now I have got a gripper lead on and I cast it well out. But even with a gripper lead, for some reason it's coming in close to. Now, it's off a hard ground up and down here. So I've put a canny link on my weight. And if a weight takes a hod, I've got, I think it's 15 pound monofilament for the main line to the weight. So hopefully it'll snap if I get stuck. But then again, I've 3 hooks in that line, so I'll maybe get stuck with the hooks as well. I'll maybe hit to haul this up and change the bait again. Whatever it is, they're just scoffing a bait. I'll maybe put out a set of bigger hooks with a bigger bait. The chance of maybe getting a codling, I don't know. Even I can fit out there sometimes. Right, I won't haul this in again. I'm hoping the camera sees the line. And nothing on. That's the Connie link with a lighter gut. My main line is 30 pound and I've got 15 pound on a weight here. I just clip it in and the idea is when it hits the water, it comes off like that, and you've got a weak link just in case you get stuck on the bottom. This rig is actually, I think it's 60 pound, and then I've got, I think it's 20 pound snoods, and I'm using circle hooks. I'm not sure if it's size 1s or 2s, I can't mind now. I've as much hooks in a shady, and as you can see I've got wee pop-up floats, and that's just acts as a tractor and flaps about in the bottom. So that's my rig that I'm using. It's my first rig. I'll maybe put out a bigger hook with a bigger bait and all. Right, I'll freshen up this bait and get it back out again. Right, this is my second rig. As you can see, I've got a panel set up, a size 6.0 and size 5.0. And I've wrapped it up a bit of squid with some bits of mackerel that I had lying about and all. And I'm working a running ledger. Hope you can see us in the camera. And I've got a canny link on the running ledger as well. And it's just a 4 ounce weight. I haven't got my heaviest wake swim of the day, because it was just a mad rush to get out the house as usual with the weather windy. So we'll try it anyway and see how we get on with that. You've got to get a go. Yeah, just let her sink a bit. There's a few creels round about. See a set of buoys out there, look. And there's another set up this way. So I'm not sure if it's single creels or if it's a fleet going right up for I'm fishing. Come on. They seem to get stuck down in this hole. Stuck down there the last time. Go to route. Ah, come on. And now the bait's been eaten, as you can see. We'll cast it out again. I think it's maybe small fishies, it's or crabs, grindies or partings or whatever has been eating that bait. I'll maybe just put on a wee bit of mackerel. Just to freshen it up again. And send it back out. I'll maybe try this stuff actually, Buchanness peeler crab stuff. So I'll maybe put some of that on. No, oh, anything's worth a go. Something hauling about at the bait like. You see the movement there. And that's just been in the water a few minutes. No. Nothing again. The bait's been eaten again, it's been scoffed. Just a wee bit of mackerel there left in the middle hook and a wee bit of skin in that bottom hook. Aye. It must be crabs. Must be wee grindies just scoffing nothing. Stripping nothing. Oh man, that's been in the water just a few minutes. Now, put more bait on, try again. Got to try and wind it in pretty fast to clear the rocks. Got my rig back. Just getting eaten with grindies. Ah, so that's a culprit. Check that out. Yeah, I did think it was portleys when I first came in about. I did think that it was portleys. That's actually smaller than a portley. That's, we would call it a buttock or a geetie. Now, I just seen a road tipping up and down yon way. And I thought to myself, right, I'm going to get a rap this time. See if I can catch a little breed that's it in my bait. And that's what it was. So obviously my hooks are too big for this things. Nope, bait still. Just hook it in the lip. Now, what a job to hoodwink these things sometimes. Right, that's a culprit. A wee coley. Wee goldfish. No, you bite still, Paul, I want to give you your freedom. A cast, and away you go. He's away. Oh well, I didn't blank. Now, what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to see if I have any smaller hooks. See if that catches something. The hooks I'm using seems to be too big today. There's no big fish going about. So, I'll have a look in my box. Heaps of eggs that I've been marking in the shade. There's any smaller kind of hooks. Sure I had smaller ears. Ah, look. That's little wee hooks. That might catch him. I mean, if I'm not getting on the other kind of fish, I might as well have some fun. Catching that things. Or see if I can catch him. If I can get us untangled. What hooks? I think they're a size 8, maybe. Size 8. So, doing small baits and see if I can catch some of things. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks on this rig. It's a small hooks. So we'll cast that out and see if we can get a hold of this little breed. This buttock that's been eating our bait. Right, we'll see if a wee breach is going to bite. And bite on a line. Look at that now. That's just in the water a few minutes. And look, they're biting. That could be one now, you see. It's maybe hooked himself. I'll wait till anything goes on. Right, I've got my spinning rod, and I'm going to want to try this wee spinner thing. It's Cedra, I think they call him a bullet, 30 grams, but I haven't got my glasses, so I'm not sure. It's just like a wee mackerel kind of thing, and it's ideal for this rod. But I didn't think the water's off clear, so I'm not sure how I'll get on with this thing. But we'll give it a go anyway. Just get a wee minty to sink down. Just looking up to see if that road's jumping about. That other road. There does seem to be a bit of movement. Hi, hey, check out it. I just can't I was getting at things. Yeah. Yes, in fact, this, even though it's a small spinner, it's probably too big for us things. Now, look at the size of that thing. A wee buddock. Give him a kiss and put him back. Where you go, Paul? Just enjoying myself. Something feels a wee bit bigger. If he's still on, aye, something on. Come on, Paul. Come on. Right on. Right on. Sticking in the rocks. Oh, you beauty. I thought it was a wee bit bigger. That's a bonny mackerel. Great stuff. Now, and I got my tripod with me today. I forgot to take it. I did look at it, but I forgot to take it. Now, I think that the road's jumping about, you know. I'm going to be haul it up and check it before I cast away again. Great stuff. Now I'm going to keep that lad and I'm going to vacuum pack him for bait. Right, we'll haul this in then. It's been out a filey now. I've just a feeling the bait is going to be scoffed again in this one, unless we've managed to capture a wee buddock. Yeah, well, St. Ken, if there is something on, it's never big. It does feel like something like. We're trying to get a different species. I think it'll be buddocks. Aye, look, another buddock. Another wee buddock. Okay. Just hook het recht aan een lip hier, zie je het? Het moet niet bij daar size 8 hooks, zeg ik daar. No, no, don't jump about, you behave yourself. Right, that's about it. Give him a cast and get him back. Where you go, Paul? Yeah. Another wee buddock. Another buddock. That's in a top hook. Nip at him in a top hook here, eh? Oh. Come on. Right, we'll get him back, guys. Get him back. Now, you want to hear on a camera, I don't think, for my microphone muffling it, but there's a fair breeze of wind coming in now. It's like a southerly wind just blasting in, and it's really hard to cast out now. Niggen en recht uit wat ligt. Lure. Yeah, that's something on. There's no feel of a big. Yeah, another buddock. That's in a treble hook this time. Cast and back. There used to be a set of salmon nets. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, I think that's a mackerel maybe. Something good on here. Come on. Give me a bit of a bottle. Oh, it's actually taking line with that. Why don't I clutch a bit? I think this could be another mackerel. Come on, Paul. No, bite on. Bite on. Oh, come on. That must be a mackerel. It's jumping about all over the place. Come on. Come on, Paul. Hey! Another another mackerel. Great stuff. Come on now, bite still. Oh, he's staying by that hooks. There's no chance of him getting away. It's just a shame about that wind. You're not getting a recht cast. Oh, as I was saying, there used to be salmon nets all the way being a coast, anchored and about the rocks, and there was a set of salmon nets here. I think they called it a box net. And the salmon would come round the coast, recht in a boot, and then swim being and away out round. And they would hit us. I don't know if you call it a leader or whatever, but they would hit us net and then follow it right into the box. And of course they couldn't get out. And sometimes when you casted your line out, you would hook a salmon on a rare occasion. But they were great big breeds of things. Some of them was 30, 40 pound fish. Big, deep fish. And of course the lines at the fishing roads and the lines that we work at didn't... it's a fish on again. Wasn't strong enough to hood a salmon. Right, fish are you on? They're still good, I'm on. Here, maybe lost them. That's a small thing again. Alright, a wee buddock again. In fact, it's a wee bit bigger this time. Oh, they're getting bigger. No, behave. Casting away back. Oh well, it's 2 different species a day for all that. And it's fine to be out in the fresh air. Enjoying the fishing. This bit I'm fishing at, it's got a black wall. I think I've said that in a previous video. It's just because the rocks are a black looking colour. So we call this a black wall. And it was a really popular bit when I was a bairn, hundreds of years ago. I mean, the winter time you're getting cold in the winter here. Or even the summertime years ago. Yeah, fish on again. Something small again. A wee buddock, I would say. Get it in past those rocks. Oh, lost him. Oh, man. Yeah, well, I think it was just a wee buddock anyway. bounced off of the rock and lost him. Well, that's me finished for the day. There's a fair breeze of wind, as I was saying in the video, and it's a job to cast out until now. It's just blowing my lure back. But I fair enjoyed myself round at the Blackwall here at the south side of Bodham Lighthouse, Buchanness Lighthouse. So thanks for coming along and watching, and thanks very much for subscribing to the channel, to all my subscribers. And anybody out there is watching us and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, it'd be much appreciated if you push that subscribe button and give us a wee boosty to the channel. I'm sure needing it. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care, Abdi, and I'll catch you after.